gonna do a one-bite dessert. We did a little experiment. We did some fermenting in our kitchen. We took some figs and we put them in a glass jar with a little bit of unpasteurized apple cider, and we let it ferment for about 6 months. So that's what you have here. We have some fresh raspberries, we have some Rancho dark chocolate domes, some fresh mint, some toasted sunflower seeds, and some full-fat yogurt. So what we'll do is we're just going to take a little bit of the yogurt, and then we take a little bit of the fig. Let's put some of that in there. These are really interesting because they have this great acidity, and all the sugar has been just changed into this caramel goodness. Very quite delicious. Toasted sunflower seeds, toasted for about 5-6 minutes, just until they start to change color. And then a raspberry. These raspberries were picked, I think, this morning, so they're very fresh. Shave of the chocolate. Try to get some of it on there. And we have forgotten one thing. We have a honey, and this honey has been mixed with a little truffle oil, just to give a little another flavor. So just a little drizzle of that on top. Just a little bit of sweetness. That'll counteract the sharpness of the yogurt. And there you have Rancho's figs, roasted sunflower seeds, some yogurt, fresh berries, and mint with a little shaved chocolate. Cheers.